Join me on this cooking adventure as I attempt to recreate Gordon Ramsay's legendary chili garlic sauce from scratch. I'm obsessed with chili garlic sauce, and I know I'm not alone. This condiment can elevate any dish to a whole new level, adding a depth of flavor that's hard to replicate with other ingredients. From noodles to stir fries, and from marinades to dipping sauces, chili garlic sauce is the ultimate game changer. Today, we're going to take it up a notch by making it from scratch, just like Gordon Ramsay's recipe. I'm excited to share this recipe with you, and I know you're going to love it just as much as I do. The best part? It's surprisingly easy to make, and the flavors are incredibly complex. Balancing the spicy, tangy, and garlicky flavors in this sauce is no easy feat. You need to have a deep understanding of how each ingredient works together to create that perfect harmony. It's all about layers of flavor, people. You want that initial kick of spice, followed by the tanginess of the vinegar, and then the richness of the garlic. And let's not forget the depth of umami that ties everything together. Getting the proportions just right is crucial. Add too much chili, and it's overwhelming. Add too little garlic, and it's bland. It's a delicate dance, but trust me, the end result is worth the effort. When you taste that first batch, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's like a party in your mouth, with each flavor playing its own unique role. The complexity of this sauce lies in its simplicity. You'd think it's just a matter of throwing some chilies, garlic, and vinegar together, but nope. There's so much more to it than that. The type of chilies you use, the way you cook the garlic, and the ratio of vinegar to oil all play a critical role in the final flavor. The key to making this sauce is to taste and adjust as you go. Don't be afraid to add more chili, garlic, or vinegar until you get that perfect balance. It's a process, people, and it's worth taking your time to get it just right. When it comes to the ingredients, you'll need a few key players. First, you'll need some high-quality chilies. I'm using a mix of Korean gochugaru and crushed red pepper flakes to get that perfect balance of heat and flavor. Next, you'll need some garlic, and I mean a lot of garlic. We're talking about 4 to 5 cloves, depending on their size. Don't even think about using that pre-minced garlic from the jar. We're going for freshness and potency here. The other critical ingredient is vinegar. I'm using a combination of apple cider vinegar and rice vinegar to get that perfect tanginess. And of course, you'll need some oil to bind everything together. I'm using a neutral tasting oil like canola or grapeseed to let the other flavors shine. Now, here's a tip that sets Gordon Ramsay's recipe apart. He uses a unique technique called blooming the garlic. Essentially, you heat the garlic in oil until it's fragrant and slightly caramelized, which brings out the natural sweetness and depth of flavor. It's a game changer, trust me. To make the sauce, simply blend all the ingredients together until you get that perfect consistency. I like mine a bit chunky, but you can blend it to your desired smoothness. Then, it's just a matter of tasting and adjusting as you go. To recap, we've got our ingredients, our technique, and our patience. That's all you need to make this legendary chili garlic sauce. Remember to taste and adjust as you go, and don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Thanks for joining me on this cooking adventure, guys. If you try making this sauce at home, be sure to share your results in the comments section below. And don't forget to check out more cooking videos on my channel for other exciting recipes. Happy cooking!